There are moments when we feel unsettled, when the air feels heavy, the home doesn't feel as peaceful, or our spirit whispers that our boundaries need tending. Today, I'm sharing a salt protection spell, a simple grounding ritual meant to lovingly protect your space, calm your spirit, and restore a sense of safety and peace. You'll also find a free printable version of this spell linked in the description and pinned to the comments. This way you can return to it whenever your heart feels the call. Let this be a gentle reminder. You are allowed to protect your energy. Maybe there's that unsettling feeling when you're trying to relax at home, or you're simply looking for a little more peace and safety. I've got something special for you today. A salt protection spell that will help you defend your space and bring comfort when it's needed the most. But here's the thing. This spell is not just about creating protection. It's about reclaiming your energy. And the best part? You can do this anytime, even if you're a beginner. Stick around because there's a surprise at the end of this spell you won't want to miss. Before we get started, just a quick reminder. Keep watching until the end for an unexpected twist that will make your protection even stronger. Trust me, you'll want to know this secret. This protection spell is a powerful way to create a barrier around your home, preventing negative energy or forces from entering. It's the perfect way to shield your space, especially if you've been feeling a little off lately, or if there's a strange presence nearby. The great thing about this spell is that you can do it in any space that feels like it has bad energy. Whether it's a room, your entire house, or even outside your door, this simple salt spell will help guard your space and restore balance. And if you're dealing with unwanted energy in your neighborhood, salt has got your back. Now let's dive into the steps. You'll need a few simple ingredients to perform this spell. What you will need: 1 cup of table salt. Pink Himalayan salt is the best. A glass jar with a lid, 12 ounces. 1 teaspoon each of the following: dried basil, and ground cloves, and ground cumin, black pepper. Ash you can use from a campfire or burnt twigs. Just make sure it is clear of chemicals. Before we continue, I wanted to let you know that I've placed a printable version of this spell in the description below and also pinned it to the comments. You can save it, print it, and follow along at your own pace whenever your spirit feels the call. Ready? Let's get started. First, find a quiet place, your kitchen, altar, or a space you've created for rituals. Gather your ingredients. Add the salt into the jar. Then, one by one, a teaspoon at a time, add each ingredient: basil, cloves, cumin, black pepper, and ash. As you add each herb to the jar, say the following words: basil to defend, cloves to guard, cumin to shelter, pepper to shield, ash to protect. Close the jar and shake it to mix everything together. You've just created your own protective salt blend. Now you're going to create a boundary line of your salt mixture around your home. Pour the mixture into an unbroken line around your house, your room, or wherever you need protection. Keep an eye on it. If the salt line breaks, just repeat the spell and reinforce your barrier. And remember, if you have a large home or more space to cover, feel free to double the ingredients. I'm curious, have you ever felt like something was trying to warn you about negative energy? Drop a comment below and let me know about your experiences with intuition or protection. Here's the surprise. The more you focus your energy and intentions into the spell, the stronger it becomes. You can amplify this spell by using your intuition, channeling your gut feelings, and paying attention to any warnings your instincts give you. This is how your personal energy merges with the spell, making it uniquely powerful for you. There you have it, your very own boundary protection spell to keep your home safe and full of positive energy. Namaste. Come see more.